Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this automatic 308 in the Allure specification. So this car has two former owners, comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, there's a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control. The car is only £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that has 130 brake horsepower, comes with a 6-speed automatic gearbox and it's done 27,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.